Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Comparing list values within a tolerance range in Python. Introduction. In many data analysis and scientific applications, it's common to compare two lists of values to determine if their elements fall within a specified tolerance range. This tutorial will guide you through the process of comparing two lists in Python and checking if their corresponding values are within a given tolerance. We'll provide a step-by-step explanation along with code examples. Step 1. Import required libraries. Step 2. Define a function for list comparison. Step 3. Example usage. Explanation. Feel free to customize the example lists and tolerance values based on your specific use case. This approach allows for easy modification and integration into more complex projects. ChatGPT.